Okay.
Am I ready? Are you okay now? You got the right stance now?
I think so. I might have to get closer though. So.
Can I dig my hands into this now?
Yeah, let's dig our hands into it.
Okay.
Okay.
Diluting everything. Oh, that's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, so much less.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. Oh! He just sees the broom. Ah! You cut them in half so they marinate better.
Yeah, you can keep them whole too, but I'm pushing it. I'm not your taste. Why do it with your hands? So they don't break. And all the leaves come off.
Mm-hmm.
Look, they're so old.
They look really yummy.
Make sure it's all mixed. Alright. Got some Balsamic over here. Can't let that go to waste. Okay. Now I'm going to this because they have to roast.
Okay, we're all marinated up. In about 30 minutes. That smells so good. You don't have to put the added oil on, do you?
No, but I like it because it just gives it that extra moisture that I'm looking for. It's already got crispies on the side.
Y'all stay tuned.
Are you guys using sound?
What are you doing?
I'm going to start putting ingredients on it. And then I will toss it. Okay. Good?
Brian got him a new toy going in his Jeep. Yay! Oh, Brian started the Jeep. What was that?
It says Jamaican style.
Awesome.
What's the difference?
Well, no, we needed to go to Jamaica. Okay.
No, he's backing up or something. He's just... Yep, our son's turning his Jeep around in the garage. It's noisy. I was just trying to do a recipe. He's almost in. Still doing it. Done. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Am I ready? Are you okay now? You got the right stance now?
I think so. I'm gonna have to get closer though. So.
Can I dig my hands into this now?
Yeah, let's stick our hands into it.
Okay.
Okay. That little one didn't make the cut.
It's just a little leafy. It fell off. Hilarious. I'm loud out there now.
They are loud.
I don't need that. No, I'm just going to put some oil on. I'm just going to brush them on top.
The kids love the smell of your Brussels sprouts. Hold on, I gotta go narrow small screen.